In this video, we will solve a variety of problems dealing with triangle angle theorems. So, for this first problem, I don't think we even need this part over here. All we need is the fact that these two angles, see how they form a straight line or a semicircle? That tells us that they have to add up to 180 degrees once you put them together. So in other words, x plus 4x minus 20 has to equal 180. Combining like terms, that's 5x minus 20 is equal to 180. Adding 20 to both sides, that's 5x is equal to 200. So then we just divide both sides by 5 and we get x is equal to 40. So here's the answer right here. Which represents an exterior angle of triangle ABF? Well, first of all, let's say this is a triangle. You will get an exterior angle if you take any one of the sides and you extend it. So for example, say if I take this side and I extend it, this would be an exterior angle. Or if I take this side and extend it, then this would be an exterior angle. So that's what we're talking about. So now triangle ABF, so ABF, alright, this is the triangle in question. So let's see. Is angle BAD an exterior angle? No. It would have to be a straight line extended like this. Okay, angle BAD goes at an angle, so that's not an exterior angle. What about AFE? Let's see, angle AFE. No. This is not an exterior angle either, because you have to make the angle by just extending one of the sides like this. This would be an exterior angle, but not this. Okay, what about angle CAD? Let's see, angle CAD. Alright, again, that's going to be a no. Because, say if I extend this line like this, this would be an exterior angle over here. Angle CAB would be an exterior angle, but not this angle over here, because this is a bent line. It's no good. Okay, so I already basically said the answer, and it's the last one left, so you know it had to be it. Angle CAB is this angle right here. Okay, see how you can just form this angle simply by drawing a straight line, extending one of the sides, and that creates the angle. That's what makes this the exterior angle. Okay, there are two things you need to know about this picture so we can decide which one of these statements is true. We need to know that all of the angles inside of a triangle, the interior angles, add up to 180. So if I saw angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals 180, that would be true. But I see angle 3, angle 5, and angle 4. No. So this is definitely not true. That was the only one that involved just simply adding up 3 angles. Okay? Now, the other thing you need to know is when you're looking at an exterior angle, okay, now look at the two remote interior angles, meaning the two interior angles that are not touching the exterior angle. What we know is that the exterior angle should equal the sum of the two remote interior angles. So angle 1 should equal angle 3 plus angle 5. And look, I'm being a little bit lazy here by not putting the measure of angle in front of each one of these. But you know what? This is the third time I've made this video, so cutting some corners. So if I saw that, this would be a true statement. Let's look at the other exterior angles. So here's the exterior angle labeled 4. And these are the two remote interior angles. So angle 4 would equal angle 2 plus angle 5. Okay, we've got one more exterior angle, angle 6. And the two remote interior angles are 2 and 3. So these are three true statements. Alright, let's keep that in mind as we go through the list. So angle 5 plus angle 6 equals angle 1. Well, let's see. No, angle 1 should equal angle 3 plus angle 5. Not angle 5 plus angle 6. So that's not it. Alright, we already discussed why this one is not true. Now, turns out this third statement is going to be true, but not because of any of the fancy things that I explained so far. Look at angle 1 plus angle 2. Alright, I think I mentioned this on a previous problem. See how angle 1 and angle 2 together make a straight line or a semicircle? So, of course, angle 1 and angle 2 have to add up to 180 degrees. So, that's a true statement. Let's look at the last one just for the sake of completeness. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals angle 5? No, angle 2 plus angle 3 should equal angle 6. Alright, next problem, same type of problem. Which of these statements is going to be true? Well, let's put some numbers in here. Alright, let's say this is angle 1 plus angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Now let's call this angle 4. So remember what we said before. The exterior angle should equal the sum of the two remote interior angles. So angle 4 should equal angle 2 plus angle 3. So let's see if that turns up. Let's see. The measure of angle WXY, let's see, WXY, that's angle 4, equals the measure of angle YXZ. Okay, YXZ. Well, that's angle 1. Angle 4 equals angle 1? Yeah, that's nonsense. This is an obtuse angle. This is an acute angle. That's a big no. Okay, angle WXY, alright, talking about this angle, is less than angle YZX. Okay, YZX, well, that's this angle right here. Okay, is the angle 4 less than angle 3? Well, no. It's greater than, in fact. This is an obtuse angle, this is an acute angle, and plus both of these angles together add up to angle 4. So one of them by itself has to be less than angle 4. So that's nonsense. Okay, what else you've got? Problem? Let's see. Angle WXY, alright, that's angle 4, plus angle YXZ, that's this angle, is equal to 180. Well, look, this is basically the same answer as last time. It's even the third choice. They're just trying to tell us something. Again, when you have two angles right next to each other that form a straight line, you know they have to add up to 180 degrees. This is the third problem in which this concept has appeared. So let's really absorb this concept, right? If you have a straight line and it's split up into two angles, they have to add up to 180. So that one's true. Okay, this next problem is similar to the last few problems we've been doing. So let's make a list of things that are true and then compare. You know what? Let's not do that. Let's just take it one problem at a time. So we have angle 5 plus angle 3 equals angle 1. So here's angle 5, here's angle 3, and here's angle 1. Well, that is always going to be true because an exterior angle will always equal the sum of the two remote interior angles, as we've discussed in the past. So that's definitely true. Okay, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, remember that theorem about the straight line? Angle 3 and angle 4 together, that's already 180. So if I add in angle 5, that's going to be more than 180. So this is never going to be true. Angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 180. Oh, there it is. The fourth time this concept has appeared. Okay, in this lesson, you have two angles together, they make a straight line. So of course they must add up to 180 degrees. So that will always be true. Let's see, angle 2 plus angle 3. Alright, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. Will add up to angle 6. Well, that is always true. Again, this is an exterior angle, and these are the two remote interior angles. Alright, the two interior angles that are not touching it. And the two remote interior angles will always add up to the exterior angles. That's always true. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5, that's boom, boom, and boom, add up to 180. Well, sure, that's always true. The three interior angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So these should be the answers. Alright, it's starting to feel like all of these problems are really the same problem over and over again. So the good news is once you learn how to do this one problem, you're definitely going to do well on a quiz about this. So let's do the same thing one more time. We've got angle MKL. Alright, so angle MKL. So that's this angle right here. Plus angle MLK. So angle MLK. So that's this angle right here. Alright, will those two angles add up to angle JKM? Okay, angle JKM. So that's this angle right here. And that's a no. We have an exterior angle, and that's going to equal the sum of the two remote interior angles. But the two remote interior angles are the two interior angles that are not touching the exterior angle. So angle L and angle M, those would add up to this green angle, not angle K. Angle K is touching, so that's a no. Okay, so angle KML, so angle KML, alright, that's this angle right here. Plus angle MLK, alright, angle MLK is this angle right here. And will it add up to angle JKM? JKM, so that's this angle right here. And there it is. That's what we were looking for. We have the exterior angle, and that equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. Alright, so that's got to be the answer. I'm not even going to read the other two, because that's the fun of multiple choice. Only one right answer. Alright, that was the last problem.